Hello everyone, this is Jenny from the DJI Academy in Canada. Today we're going to share with you the mapping function of M3M and the T40 drone. The T40 drone can fly 30 meters above the ground, while the M3M drone can fly 120 meters above the ground. And also, T40 drone, the flight speed is 10 meters per second, and M3M drone, the maximum flight speed is 15 meters per second. Their mapping functions are very similar. So basically, it's like if you have a T40 drone, that means you could save few $1,000s of this mapping drone. After the T40 flies back, you don't need to edit the picture. You can directly see the real-time picture on the remote controller screen. All those photos will sew together by itself so that you can avoid the areas of these bushes when making a flight map. So that is something the previous AGRAS models couldn't do. And even if you drive around a field using the side-by-side, you probably can't avoid tree branches above your head. The advantage of using M3M is very obvious. It can cover a large area in a short period of time. If you are doing customer farming job, it can help you plan the map of the work area in advance. What you need to do just upload the map to T40. Alright, this is what we're sharing with you today. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment or just contact us directly. We'll be happy to assist you.